This is the story of the boy who cried of wolf. In a quiet village nestled among the rolling hills, there lived a mischievous shepherd boy named Peter. His job was to watch over the village's flock of sheep, ensuring they grazed safely on the lush meadows. However, Peter was easily bored and loved playing tricks on the villagers. One sunny day, as Peter tended to the sheep, he grew restless. With a mischievous gleam in his eye, he decided to play a prank on the villagers. Running to the top of the nearby hill, he shouted at the top of his lungs, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is attacking the sheep!" Hearing his cries, the villagers rushed to the meadow with their tools and weapons, ready to fend off the wolf and protect their livestock. But when they arrived, all they found were sheep peacefully grazing, and Peter doubled over with laughter. "Fooled you all!" he exclaimed, revealing in his trick. The villagers, frustrated but relieved no harm had come, returned to their homes, shaking their hands. Unrepentant Peter chuckled to himself, planning his next prank. Days passed, and Peter grew bored again. Remembering the thrill of the villagers' response, he climbed the hill once more and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is here!" Once again, the villagers rushed to his aid, only to find Peter laughing uproariously and the sheep undisturbed. This time, their annoyance was palpable, but they let Peter off with a warning. Then, one fateful evening, a real wolf slunk into the village. Drawn by the scent of sheep, the terrified Peter ran to the hilltop and screamed, "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" But this time, no one came. The villagers, remembering Peter's earlier pranks, ignored his cries, thinking it another trick. Tragically, the wolf attacked the flock, and many sheep were lost before the villagers finally arrived, too late to save them. Peter learned a hard lesson that day, that lies and tricks have consequences. From then on, he tended to the sheep diligently, and the villagers forgave him, but he never forgot the price of his deceit. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like the video.